Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Apple just had their big 2025 event, and to celebrate, DearMob is running a huge Carnival giveaway. You can grab premium software worth over $1,100 completely free, but only for a limited time. As of right now, the timer says only about 19 days are left. After that, the freebies are gone and the prices shoot back up. This giveaway has just about everything you need for your digital life, from AI that enhances your photos, videos, and audio, to tools that speed up your computer, recover lost files, and keep your data secure. You'll also find software to edit PDFs, organize your desktop, back up important files, record your screen, manage media, and even restore damaged photos. You will get an antivirus for your PC too. Whether you're working, studying, or creating content, these tools are designed to make everyday tasks smoother and easier. Getting them is super simple. Go to the giveaway page, links in the description, scroll through the collection of tools, click Get It Now on the ones you want, enter your email, and you'll instantly get your free subscription. And yes, you can claim as many as you like, but supplies are limited and it's first come, first served. So don't wait. Grab your free tools while you can. If this video helps you, drop a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more giveaways, tech tips, and freebies. And see you in the next one.